Okay, so if you're like me, you've got this linoleum flooring that's ugly and you want to remove it, but it's stuck to your floor really well. So I'm going to show you a quick way to remove that using a heat gun, utility knife, putty knife tool, and a hammer. You'll probably also want to get a fan and open a window. That's what I've been doing because it really stinks and it can smoke pretty bad. I also had to unhook my smoke detectors because the stink from the heating up of the adhesive set it off a couple times. So you'll want to hook those back up before you go to bed, I'm sure. And yeah, you just want to make sure you have an open window and have a fan running because it does smell. I've been working in pretty big strips, but for this video I'm just going to do a quick little one so you can get an idea how to do it. It's a lot easier than trying to use some kind of adhesive remover or something like that. So I'm going to try to set up my phone so you guys can see it removed. And I'm going to also let my heat gun, let it heat up for a little bit. So I'm going to let my heat gun heat up for about a minute, 2 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this. Okay, the first thing you'll want to do is score the piece that you want to work on. So I'm just going to do a small section. Get that scored. Now you'll take your utility knife or your putty knife and cram it underneath the middle section of what you're working on, and then just hammer it underneath, give it a lift. Find working in the middle of the linoleum works the best, otherwise you'll get some breakage. There we go. Okay, so then what you're going to want to do is just go in front of the piece after you warm it up. I'm going to re-warm it up here because I had to get my camera set up. Warm it up a little bit, and then just work right in front of it. And just scrape. You don't even have to warm it up that much. I've got mine on a pretty high setting. And that's it. I will say it gets pretty hot, so be careful. You can start a fire. I've had some of the cardboard backing smoke a little bit, so you got to keep an eye on it. Also open a window for sure and run a fan. But that's it. That's a real quick and easy way to get that linoleum flooring up.